So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Eric Chaircraft Professional. I hope you all are good and also you guys are enjoyed a lot in previous videos, and we every time it's coming with something new, different techniques, and each and every techniques are given to the something like different and overlook it will be something bit changed, and the end of the results was completely different. You may can just see the small changes we just implementing on the every haircut. So today we're going to be learn something like new concept up to the haircut, which means can hair layers, and also it will be adding some feather haircut techniques also in the round layers also will be included in this. Technically, if I can just mention to that, it will become multi-layer come like it will be feather haircut also included in this haircut for sure. So the top of that I'm just taking to the front like a print section got, and the ear to ear section also going to be separate for, and back portion also I'm just separating very soon. And you can just see the each and everything is presentation is very clear on this haircut video. The haircut length she don't want to be, she won't reduce more length. On top of that she won't add some flexible and more layers. I'm just help up through the comb also I'm explaining you guys, you can just see very clearly. From back portion I'm just taking to the one length. Small section and just going to be start to the one length haircut. Towards crown I can just pick into 120 slowly, gradually I'll take it down with another 90 degree, and rest of the hair I'm just adding to the layers without compromising the bottom length and converting towards the layers. The same stationary guideline I'm just following all the ways. Now I'm cross checking. It's even. Now I'll come to another side and same stationary guideline and I'm following the same technique. Now I come to the side portion, following the same section, and the last section it will going to be finished. Now I'm cross checking again. It's even. Now I come to the side portion. Just every hair I'm just connecting from the back portions to one length from the back, and that portion I'm just over directing to the towards the layers. You can just see I'll up to the comb also explain. Just slightly over directing and converting towards the layers. I'm cross checking to the side portion. I'll come to another side. That hair I'm also just taking back for the one line basic haircut from back portion. The rest of the hair I'm converting towards the layers. After that remaining balance I'll just take to the front forward of feather layers, a little bit after the adding with front forward, and excess of the hair I'm just converting toward the layers, and same technique I'm following the another side. It's overall got finished. Now I'm releasing the crown portion. Now I picked from stationary guideline from center profile up to the crown area. And rest of the hair I'm converting towards the layers. A little bit over directing up to the center of the crown, and all the hair I'm just adding the layers, remaining hair. Because she wants something crown portion more layers which can be visible, bouncy and wally matte. I'll come to another side. Following the same technique, rest of the hair adding to the layers. Now I'll release from the front fringes. Slightly I'm just picking from the diagonal forward and just towards to the over directing to a opposite way, and just adding the fringe. The rest of the hair I'm just curved part I'm just converting towards the layers. I'll come to another side. It's same technique I'm following up. The rest of the hair I'm converting towards the layers. I'm just all the hair I'm explaining after a haircut with messy look before blow dry. I'm just blow drying messy hair. Explaining which messy layers before going to the styling. Now I come to the crown portion. I'm just adding extra volume on the top. I come to the front portion. It's going to be styling part is completely over, finished. So this is my final look. The crown portion is absolutely volumated and you can just see the flexibility of layers. I'll take to the another side. Now it will be visible very good and just volume-at look on the top. So after the styling, this is end finishing. So this is my final look. So after a haircut, you can just see the bottoms. Overall it will be visible very good layers. The moment you can just see the top to bottom. The crown portion is absolutely volumated and you can just see the flexibility of layers. I'll take to the another side. Now it will be visible very good and just volume-at look on the top. So after the styling, this is end finishing look before the texture. So after the presentation, my client was very much happy. Then I'm just going to add some texture on top of that. That will be going to finish up end of the style. I just pick from the center profile up to the crown portion and just finishing by texture. Overall cut will be finished. So I hope you all are understand and enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts, please let me know comments below. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. And for more, you can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. For each and every video, you'll be get the notifications. This is my completely the final look and hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and we'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.